stop below swing low, target 1:2. Let's run the price. And TP smashed, right? Set your long position, stop below swing, target simply 2 hour. Let's run the price. Here you simply made 1:2, right? Is simple. So how much we made so far? 2468. Hey everybody, so today in this video I'm gonna teach you a simple day trading strategy which you can use every day on pairs like gold, crypto, stocks, whatever you trade, and make money. And you don't need any kind of daily bias for this strategy. It is simply mechanical strategy which you can use and literally make money. So if you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Harsh and I am a trader with 5+ year experience, so you can trust me whatever I say. Plus you can backtest the strategy and you can literally see the awesome win rate this strategy gives. So this is a simple day trading strategy which you can use every day, and we will use 4-hour time frame for this, and for our entry we are going to use 5-minute time frame. So the strategy is simple. Let me teach you in theory first, then we will see examples on the chart to get the clarity. So let's understand theory first. So the strategy is very simple. It is based on liquidity logic. When price swapped liquidity of one point, it gives reaction, right? For example, every high has a buy side liquidity and every low has a sell side liquidity. So when price swapped these areas, it give a reaction. So we don't need a complete trend, we are just capturing reaction. So the strategy is simply based on capturing reaction, and that's why we are using 4-hour time frame, because higher time frame gives a high reaction, right? So the logic is simple. Whenever price swapped liquidity, we will take entry on the 5-minute chart. Okay, we know every candle high and every candle low has a liquidity. Every candle high has a buy side liquidity and every candle low has a sell side liquidity. But we are not going to use every candle. We will use turning points like major swing points on 4-hour chart, and for that we are going to use this fractal indicator by Nephew Sam. What it did, it gives arrow like this. So we are going to use these arrows. So whenever price swap these things, we will going to take our entry. So this is the logic of the strategy, right? So one important thing to remember, that we don't need body closing. If price is giving closing, if price is closing with the body, we will not going to take entry. What we need is wick, because wick shows rejection, right? Wicks are gap, they are not real body closing. So if price, for example, if price closed on 4-hour chart and gave body closing, so we will not going to enter, we need wick. If price is wicked, then we will take our entry. Basically what we are doing is we are placing opposite entries. Whenever price grabbing buy side liquidity, we are going to sell, and whenever price grabbing sell side liquidity, we are going to buy. It is simple. So now these are our entry models. This is our 4-hour chart, right? This is our entry model. We are going to take entry on the 5-minute chart. So let's say price grab sell side liquidity on the 4-hour chart, right? This is our liquidity grab. Then on the 5-minute chart, we need first shift. We will not do anything on first shift because we don't know it is a real break or liquidity grab. So what we need is double break. Whenever price give double body closing, we will place our order and we will simply target 1:2. Simple. So this is the another entry model. In this, price gave one shift and then it pushed lower and grab sell side liquidity on the 5-minute chart and again give body closing. This is Wyckoff model. Then we will set our entry on the top and target 1:2. That's why we are not going to enter on first shift, because we don't know what will happen. Either for example, this is the first shift. Now price can do double break, or price can completely break the original low, so we don't know. And until price not close above this high, it means it is weak, so we will not going to enter. So this thing increase your win rate so much. If you don't enter on first shift, it will increase your win rate drastically. So never ever enter on first attempt, because it is just an attempt. We are not sure it will work or not. That's why we need either double break or either MSU setup. So this is the MSU setup, Wyckoff based. Okay, so we have two entry models. Number one, double break. Number two, MSU, right? So guys, one important thing is this strategy work best on sideways market, because we are capturing reaction, not a trend, right? And most of the time forex market remains in a range, so it works on best like pairs GBP USD and Euro USD, basically forex pairs. Trading in gold and stocks, sometimes this strategy don't work because they are trending assets. So the best thing you can do is to apply this on FX pairs. So this was the theory. Now let me show you some examples, so you will get the complete clarity. So let's open the GBP USD chart. So this is the GBP USD 4-hour chart, as you can see. So right now the trend is up, but we don't need any kind of trend knowledge or bias. We just need our fractal arrows. As you can see, these are our fractal arrows. What we do is simply wait for price to swap these things. So in this case, price swapped here our arrow, right? So it means price grabbed buy side liquidity now, and we can see it is just a wick, not a body closing. Then we will switch to 5-minute chart and we can see what happened. So what GBP USD did, one break to the downside. As I told you, we need double break, right? So this is just one break. Now we need double break. So here is our double break. Then what we will do, place our short entry, stop above swing, target simply 2R. So it is 100% mechanical strategy. You don't need to use any kind of discretion like 2R, 3R, 4R, just simply 1:2. Then let's play the price. And boom, TP hit. Okay, so we made 2R. I will show you 4 to 5 examples, so you will get the complete clarity. Now this is our again 4-hour chart. We have our fractals. Where are our fractals? Fractal means simply this indicator. These arrows are fractals. What are they showing you? They are showing you liquidity. The reason to use this indicator is so you don't need to find manually the liquidity, and you will get the proper swing high and lows. That's why please use this indicator, fractals nephew Sam. And here is the setting. So it come to default to 3, but keep it at 5, because if you're using 3 it will show you so many arrows and you will get confused. So now we have our sell side liquidity to the downside. Simply we will wait for the price, and here we have what, wick closing. Now we will drop to the 5-minute chart, as you know. So we have one shift, we will do nothing on the one shift. Then we have our second shift, right? Simply entry, stop below swing low, target 1:2. Let's run the price. And TP smashed, right? So we made another 2R. Okay, let's switch to the 4-hour chart again. Now where is our liquidity? We have 2 points, sell side, buy side. We will wait for price to do, and here what price did, grab liquidity, switch to the 5-minute chart. and here we have what our one shift. As I told you, we will do nothing on the first shift. What price did? Recently broke again. Liquidity did nothing, again swept. Now we have one break, we have two break. Now we have two breaks, right? Place a short position, stop above, target simply 2 hour. Let's run the price. Okay, taking time. So in this case we got stopped out. Literally price gave 1.4 and then stop out. Okay, okay, we have minus 1 hour. Okay, let's check another example. Now what we have, again price grab, buy side liquidity, never give body closing, right guys? Body closing and liquidity is very important. Always verify that you get the wick closing, not body. Now what we have is our one shift, then nothing, price is just sideways because of Friday. Okay, so let's check some past examples. So for example, what is body closing? Now in this case we got body closing. When we got body closing, we will simply ignore the setup, because body closing shows strength and it means buyers are aggressive and they will further push the price. So never ever attempt to take your entry after body closing, because it means continuation, not reversal. Our goal is to catch reversals, right? We are just waiting for the turning points to catch simply the actions. We are not a trend follower in this strategy. So here we have our GBP USD. What price did? Simply price grab, sell side liquidity. Let me show you. So this is what we have, wick closing, not body. We will drop to the 5-minute chart, right? Waiting for our shift. We got this shift. Now this is just break one. As I told you, we have two entry models. Either we will get double break or we will simply get liquidate and then take our entry. Never enter on first attempt, always remember. So we will wait. Now we got double break. As you can see, we got the double break. Boom. Set your long position, stop below swing, target simply 2 hour. Let's run the price. Here you simply made 1:2, right? Plus 2 hour. Let's see one more example so you will get the complete clarity. Here what price did, it give body closing. Remember, if price gave body closing, we will do nothing, right? Here what price did, price give wick closing, right? If price give wick closing, we are interested. Let's switch to the 5-minute. Here we have wick closing. What price did, simply break one. We will do nothing on break one. Break two, simply set your position, stop our swing low, target as you know 1:2. Let's run the price. Simple. So how much we made so far? Two, 4, 6, 8, 7 hours. So guys, we made total 7 hours. Literally you can see trading can be so simple if you have the right strategy and the right approach. So I hope you get the complete clarity of this reaction strategy. So this strategy is super simple. You just need your simple checklist. Number 1, liquidity sweep. Number 2, either double break or MSU setup. As simple as that. So guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, make sure subscribe the channel and leave a comment. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel in which I post my trade ideas. So thank you for the watching.